Hey creators, imagine turning your text, images, and characters into stunning videos effortlessly. Introducing Vidu AI, a powerful tool that brings your ideas to life with 4 amazing features. Text to video, image to video, consistent character creation, and video upscaling. Whether you're crafting an engaging story, enhancing your visuals, or upscaling your videos to the next level, Vidu AI has got you covered. Ready to revolutionize your content? Let's dive in.
First, go to Google and search for Vidu Ai Studio, or you may go to my description. I've given the link. Now go to this Vidu Ai Studio, this option. This is the interface. Now go to Try Video and log in with your Gmail or email account. When you log in, you get 80 credits for free. Now you go to this Create Video option. Now this is the interface where you'll have to work. In Vidu AI, we can do 3 things. One is text to video, one is image to video, and another one is consistent character. So first we will be exploring text to video. Before I showed this video, I started with one video here. First go to create video option, and here you have 2 things. One is, if you go to input, you have 2 ways of input. One is you can give one prompt here, otherwise you can upload one image here. And if you don't have anything, then you can go to Inspire Me to get a prompt. And another thing is, there are 2 styles which are available as of now, general and one is animation. We will be trying both. And we have 2 durations. One is 4 seconds, one is 8 seconds. But 8 seconds they are not giving for free. You will have to upgrade by $10 per month. So we will just try one by one.
Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2,000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section, and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part.
First, I will give a prompt. Okay. This is a random prompt. Now, if I go to enhance prompt, it will enhance the prompt. This prompt itself. Okay. And then if I create, initially, as I told you, you start with 80 credits every month. So monthly it gets renewed. So I will go to create video option, and it will come in queue. It takes quite a long time, I would say. For creating this first video where Harry Potter is eating chocolate, it took quite a long time. Okay. Now, since this is taking longer, I'll be showing you the next process by this. Well, I have given this prompt, Harry Potter is eating chocolate while reading. So they have given a satisfactory result, and here I have selected general. Okay. And now if I go to upscale, this videos, distortions, whatever little bit is there, that will be gone. Okay. So I can go to upscale option. Now if you click on upscale, there will be 2 options given. One is stable, one is creative. But creative is in beta mode, so it is not yet released. And upscale. Look, after upscaling, all the distortions are gone, and this is quite convincing and quite realistic. So if you like it, you can go to this download button in order to download the MP4 file. Now, once this is done, let us go to the next part where we will be uploading one image here. So we'll go to this image section, and you may upload any of the images. Let me take one image from here. Let me take this image. So now here you have 2 options. One is use it as first frame. So only this image will be transformed into a video here. Otherwise, you can keep this character as consistent character and create different scenes out of this character. So we will be trying this second part little later. First, we will be creating the first frame, and that too without any input prompt, right? Again, it will take 4 credits. So let me hit create. Okay, and then we can further go to upscale in order to upscale this. If you want to download, go to this download this button, right hand side download button, and download it. So now let us see how to create different other scenes with a character. So for this, I will take this character, opened. Now here I will be use this character for reference, and here I have given one small prompt. A martial art black belt is practicing martial arts near a river early in the morning, and then go to generate. Right, now let us move to the next style, that is anime style. I'll select anime style, 4 seconds again, and here I will give one prompt. I have given this prompt. A handsome boy is playing guitar in front of a pagoda, and here in the settings I will select animation style, and 4 seconds again. Here I will go to enhance prompt option. I should always tick it, you should always tick it, and then create. See, my video is ready. I feel this is quite nice video. You can go ahead and download, and definitely you can upscale it. Right, now I will give a final prompt. This is my final prompt. I will go to generate video option. I'm given a detailed prompt here, and I will keep enhance prompt, and here hit generate.
If you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family, so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come